In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP with the least fees. So for that, I will recommend you 5 apps that will show you the least fees. So first things first, we have crypto.com. They have no fees for bank transfer. You can just link your bank account and buy XRP directly. This is great for larger purchases with zero transaction fees and bank transfers. Next thing is the Binance with 0.1% trading fee, which you have 0.1% trading fee, same as Binance. Uphold varies depending on the XRP that you will buy, and Revolut offers low crypto purchase fees. So you can see in here that Binance is good as it offers one of the lowest trading fees among exchanges. Vitru is focused on XRP trading, making it a great choice for XRP enthusiasts. Uphold is an easy to use platform, but fees may be higher depending on the payment method used. Revolut is convenient for existing Revolut users, but limited to holding XP within the app, and there is no withdrawal. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.